I think the tax debate is a great idea. There's been a lot of discussion now since the financial crisis about what's gone wrong with various aspects of business, and tax has been an important one of those. But sometimes it's felt a bit like a dialogue of the deaf. And I think if we actually have a debate which pulls people together, not necessarily to agree, but just to discuss things, to see if there may be things in common, to find out what the other side thinks, I think that's going to be incredibly powerful. We're certainly entering into this in the spirit of wanting to have a true debate. And I very much hope that others who disagree with us will nevertheless come into the virtual room, if you will, and have that debate with us. Has the government done enough in terms of enforcement? Obviously, they've been criticised in some cases for not doing that. I think any business who's dealt with HMRC knows that they're not exactly a pushover when it comes to any type of negotiation. So I think the government is doing that. Has the government changed laws where it needs to? Yes, I think it has done. For example, a general anti-avoidance rule, which tries to stop very aggressive planning at the edges, I think is an important part of that. They've tightened up on disclosure rules. The government have done a whole series of things. And then on the international level, I think they're also working hard with the OECD and with the G20 to ensure that in a more globalized world, the international tax rules actually work. I think at the same time, they've also been engaged in the debate. I think ministers have done that. I think the opposition has done that as well. I think, and the PAC and various other parliamentary groups, I think everybody has engaged in this. But again, the purpose of having a debate is so that everybody's actually in the same room, talking about the same subject, even if they don't agree, to see if we can move this forward. I think probably the toughest question in this debate is, do you pay your fair share of taxes? That opens up so many issues. It opens up so many issues of interpretation. It gets into the emotion of taxation as well. I'm not going to tell you what I think the answer is right now, but what I hope the debate will do is actually tease out many of the issues around that so that people come to an understanding of what it is that we're trying to aim at, even if not everybody completely agrees on what the solution is. So I'd encourage everybody to get involved, whether you're a business, whether you're a policymaker, whether you're an NGO, or whether you're simply a concerned citizen. It would be great to have everybody involved in this debate. And you can do that by visiting the website at Great Business Debate or getting involved in the conversation at Biz Debate. So please do that. It's your debate as well as ours. Thanks.